this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share a Windows 10 printer with another computer. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Control Panel, go to Devices and Printers, and then on the printer that you want to share, you want to right click the printer and go to Printer Properties. And if you haven't installed the printer, go ahead and do so at this time. But once you install it, you want to right click, go to Printer Properties, and then you want to go to Sharing. You want to make sure that this is checkmarked and give it a name. Also make sure this is checkmarked. And then under security, I like to add the group called Everyone. And this allows for you to manage the permissions. And I just want anybody that uses the shared printer to be able to print. And then what you'll do is you go to OK. And then you need to go to the sharing settings, manage advanced sharing settings. Whatever current profile you see, you want to allow and turn on network discovery and turn on file and sharing printer, and then save the changes. Once you've done that, you need to know the name of this computer because we're going to use it as a host name. So we need to grab the host name for this computer. So if you right click Windows and go to System, you're going to see the device name. This is the host name that you need. And you also need to remember the printer name that you wrote here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my other Windows 10 virtualized machine and go back to the devices and printers. I'm going to go to add a printer. I'm going to click here. And then you will select the second option that says select a shared printer. So what you do is you first double backslash and you follow this example here, which is your computer name backslash printer name. So in my case, it will be Office Desktop backslash, and then I will do the MB500. And then I will click next. All right, so let's go back and see what's going on. Okay, let me copy it. Paste it. And it looks like when I do the backslash, it already detects the network. But the way I'm gonna do it is I'm gonna click Browse. I'm gonna do backslash Office Desktop and press Enter. And there it is. So I will select the printer. And if you get credentials for you to enter some credentials, then you will enter the username and password for the computer that is sharing the printer. And then you log in and you will see the share printer. And then you will do select. And then you will do next. And Windows should finish the installation if it finds a driver for the printer. If not, you would have to go to your manufacturer's website, download the printer driver, and install it. Alright, so this is how you successfully add a shared printer to another computer. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave your comment below, and please subscribe to my channel.